Hello friends, let's move to the HTML, because as you know that for web development HTML is the prerequisite and you have to know about the HTML. So let's talk about the HTML, how you can learn all these things. If you want to learn the HTML, then the best option is to a W3 school. Again, I am telling you that this website are not paying me anything because I am not that much popular. So, and I personally believe that during my when I was starting my career in the as a web developer, then at that time I was started learning from the W3 school. So this will be provide you very short and to the point, and some of the syntax and tags of HTML and their uses with the proper examples. So I believe that this will be very better. Just see this code. HTML is actually see the example and try it yourself. You can click on this portion. You will also do some changes, and you can also run this so that you can understand that this is working perfectly fine or not. So I believe that you can understand in this way, and just you go through it. I am telling you, you just spend 1 or 2 hour, you will learn all these tags. Some of the tags are important, so just I am giving you some direction so that you can understand in a better way. So you just try to understand some of the term in the HTML, that what is the tag, what is the element and attributes. So you must know all these things, and how what is the CSS, how you can apply the styles in the web pages. So you just go through it. Definitely you will learn in a proper way. And some of the important thing is that here is a table. You should know the table and their tags, headings, th, tr. So just go through it, and I believe that you will understand most of the things. And I will telling you, don't spend much time on HTML. Just spend 1 or 2 days, that's enough. Just try to practice all these things, and whatever you will practice, don't try to remember all these things, because it's not going to help. Don't try to remember, because whenever you will forget the tags and their syntax, just google it, you will find the solution. So this is the W3 school, and if you want to understand in the deeper and with the conceptually, then the best website and the best documentation on the internet is the developer.mozilla.org. You can understand here that structuring the web with the HTML. You just go through it, just read all the text and the sentences. You will find that this is very better, and you will understand all these things. It's not very tough, because these websites are also providing you a proper example, so you can understand all these things. Just go through it, read each and everything, because once I will read, and once I will try to remember all these things. Like other YouTuber, they are making their scripts, and based on their scripts they are giving the lecture, and sometimes it's good, it feels good, the theory part. But again, it you will not be remember all these things. You have to practice it. So the basic will be W3 school, and the advanced will be from the developer.mozilla.org. I will also put this URL in the description, so that you can go and you can understand all these things in the proper way. If in the case if you will unable to understand in any scenario, any part, just comment me. I am telling you, I will reply your comment. I will read every comment, and I will also reply. Okay, so just go through it. For making any website, the fundamental technology, the HTML, where you HTML is going to decide the title. As you can see here, that is structuring the web page. This is the title, and some of the link are available, and some of the images, and some in some website you will also find player, like audio and video is also playing, like in YouTube. The video is also playing. So all these things are done by the HTML, and you should learn all these element about the HTML. So if you want, it will be very boring for other guys, but if you want, I will read line by line and I will try to explain each of the line of from the developer.mozilla.org. It will be little means difficult for the beginner because it's a very in deep, but it's in detail. So I believe that you also should go through it, and for basic and for beginner, W3 school is the best. But if you want to gain a more knowledge, go to the this website and read line by line. It's very important. You will gain much more knowledge. So go through line by line and read one or two times. You will understand each and everything very easily. Some of the term is uh, confusing you, so if you will face the problem, if you will comment, then I can make a separate video on the HTML where I will not write any script, just I will go uh, through the documentation and I will try to explain from this, because this is also a one type of script. So why not, I can encourage you to go through it. So comment below if you want, then I will explain. Otherwise, just read it and do some practice on the W3 skill. That's enough. Just spend 1 or 2 days. That's enough. And next go to other technology. So I hope that all these things you are understand, and some of the part is very important, which is the table. You should know the table and some term in the HTML, what we are saying, like tag, what is a tag, what is the element and attribute, all this term, so that if any website and any if you will face any problem and try to search, then you should know this keyword so that you can find on the internet. So this will be very important, so you understand the term what we are telling and what the tag is and all these things, and just go through it